Everyone, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I'm up to. My name is Nikki B, and I'm glad you're here with me. Let's check out the new book I'm doing, Borderline Personality Disorder, The Complete Guide to Borderline Personality Disorder. Tools, techniques to control your emotions, anger, and depression. Chapter 1.
Chapter 1. What is borderline personality disorder? Borderline personality disorder is characterized as a psychiatric diagnosis as a chronic personality disorder. The concept was defined by Adolf Stern in 1938 as it lies at the boundary between neurosis and psychosis. It is a serious mental disorder that leads to a paralyzing fear that a loved one will give up. The person affected is showing a blocking attitude that shows him or her a confusing range of emotions, from idealizations such as great admiration and love for devaluation such as intense anger and rage in a short time. Such an individual is angry, leading to verbal and physical abuse of others. We read sense in little things and personalized situations so serious that they cannot sustain family relationships or relationships at work. Borderline personality disorder is basically an emotional control disorder. A woman who has this condition could make life miserable for a husband to leave work late for any excuse because she feels that he should have an affair. The mood inconsistency in borderline personality disorder leads to depression, poor self-image, and a skewed personality, all contributing to social isolation. The level of frustration can be so high that in some situations, suicides are attempted and suicides are successful. The deep sense of insecurity leads them to want love and to sexual promiscuity and drug abuse. The rate of divorce is high for the few who have married and have not sought professional help because they are unable to deal with their emotions chronically. In the United States, approximately 2% of adults, 75%, are mainly females and account for 20% of hospital psychiatric admissions. Like many other disorders, the causes of borderline personality disorder are related to environmental and genetic factors. Nonetheless, a history of early separation from significant people, a history of physical and emotional abuse, are prejudicial variables. 40 to 71% record a history of non-caregiver sexual abuse. Recent studies have linked borderline personality disorder with impaired neural circuit control, which modulates emotions. Amygdala is part of this neural network, part of the brain. It can occur in puberty or young adulthood. Traumatic incidents such as crime of all sorts, murder, alcoholism, and drug abuse are induced to precipitate this disease. The prospects for this condition are good because it is suitable for proper mental health, and people who have it can lead productive and normal lives with proper care. Symptoms may last for years, but most of the symptoms decrease, with a few people fully recovering from them. Therapy varies from individual psychotherapy and group psychotherapy to dialectical behavior therapy, a modern treatment specifically developed for borderline personality disorder. Antidepressants and mood stabilizers are important in patients with this disorder as a symptom of treatment. Like a balloon stretched out full by hot air, people who are diagnosed with borderline personality disorder simply explode with the least touch of a penetrating object. We are ships that float through a tumultuous sea of feelings and face the risk of drowning occasionally. Borderline syndrome is a severe mental disorder characterized by persistent mood disturbance, a skewed self-image and view of others, and by emotional deregulation. It is often difficult for people with specific personality disorders to trust others. You are oversensitive to and think too much about the behavior of those around them. This leads to chaotic, unstable platonic and romantic relationships that usually hurt them. A persistent fear of renunciation leads them to pursue salvation by self-destructive behavior such as vices, promiscuity, and over-alimentation. In fact, they are overwhelmed about their life and career choices, so they cannot maintain employment and efficiency. Individuals with borderline personality disorders have trouble in managing their emotions, and this is why their frustration and anxiety unexpectedly, improperly, and uncontrollably match. Depression usually accompanies these deep-seated psychological differences and causes depression and self-mutilation. To protect their ego and to make them feel free from anxiety, people with borderline personality disorders may accuse others of their own flawed traits, projection, or what they think other people want, identification. They may also think that their thoughts can lead to things happening, that the world sabotages their plans, magic thoughts, and is convinced that they know everything and are always right, irrespective of what actually happens, all power. Such mechanisms of defense also lead to their uncertainty and confusion. Persons with borderline personality disorders are not entirely incompetent as opposed to their generic representation. Some of these sufferings were, in reality, creative and intelligent individuals who contributed more to the world than a man usually facilitated. People with borderline personality disorders create the most thought-provoking art forms when they become entangled in themselves-made hardships and sufferings and are plagued by their constant questions about life. We are excellent leaders due to their empathetic nature and attention to the needs of others. It also makes them keen observers, commentators, and critics, able to generate significant and inspiring values for better governance and life. Chapter 2. Borderline Personality Disorder Causes. Borderline Personality Disorder, BPD, is a personality disorder in which the person shows a disturbed style and usually affects persons older than 18 years of age. A person with this disorder may have unpredictable, anomalous moods. In extreme conditions, individuals or things are likely to be good or evil. Sometimes they idolize or perhaps devalue everyone they encounter. Borderline personality disorder can cause misfortune in a person's interactions at the workplace and with family members without proper care and therapy. Unstable social interactions, personality, self-image, and behaviors are also apparent in BPD-impacted individuals. Persons with BPD are really hypersensitive to the activities in the world around them. Some people are deeply afraid of loss and of disappointment that is wrong. For example, a business trip, a holiday, or perhaps a sudden change in tactics. We hate being alone and we always want to be with men and women. We may take impulsive actions such as suicide efforts to prevent this disorder. Through idealizing them to devalue, they change their attitudes towards well-wishers or fans. Their intentions and views on beliefs, employment, styles of partners, sexual identity are not consistent, and situation-related changes. The triggers of BPD are usually related to genetic, biological, as well as sociable variables, including a conversational technique with their partners, their family members, and their various children, and emotional factors, which include the disposition and temperament of the patient, influenced by the environment and the ability to cope with stress. BPD is assessed medically by a trained mental health professional like a psychologist or perhaps a psychotherapist. There are no pathological examinations to be carried out. The assessments typically include the findings of the patient and the findings of the mental health professional. The specific triggers of BPD differ from person to person, but in their essence, the symptoms are identical. Those with the condition frequently see the world as black and white without space for a gray zone. This means that things can either look good or bad, but generally nothing between, to the point that they are serious. As you could imagine, this sort of thinking can lead to impulsive behavior, disruptive choices, and can be an important factor in the creation of entirely dysfunctional ties. Sadly, many people with BPD don't have to seek treatment alone, but it can be improved with the right support. As above, in the case of borderline personality disorder, there is no official source. It may be something deeply rooted in the architecture of our brains, or chemistry, or simply a result of circumstances. Issues with children, violence, neglect, etc. can all lead to BPD issues. Some of the symptoms do not appear later in life, so diagnosis can be frustrating. The most important thing, though, is to consider the signs of BPD, which can differ case by case. What signs are you looking for? While everyone approaches BPD differently, it's important to understand symptoms before they become too extreme to control, so the depressed person can harm himself or herself. Some of the symptoms commonly present include a sense of loneliness or vacuity, fear of being alone, impulsive behavior, especially in relation with funds and so on, unfounded anger, self-harm, boredom, addiction. These symptoms may lead in many cases to a lifestyle that is highly risky for the person and the persons around them. Since most people struggle with BPD fear being alone, they will also switch from relationship to relationship, an example of impulsive behavior and decision making. This isn't only detrimental to you as a child, but it can also be easy to use this kind of behavior. Borderline personality disorder is often caused by incompetent and/or violent parents or guardians. This leads to emotional instability and tension and many other problems. You create a warped, meaningless, defective picture of yourself. Your mood swings are regular, and for no good reason, you are often furious. While you earnestly want loving relationships, you tend to ruin those unexpected explosions of rage that clearly distract people from you. Your perception of yourself can change quickly. One minute you see yourself as a compassionate, loving person, but the next one is a totally bad and evil person. You don't exist at all, except sometimes, which makes your sense of worthlessness all the more pronounced. It characterizes borderline personality disorder and its symptoms. In your life, you have no gray areas, just black and white thinking. Without this ability to think blue, you are quite unable to negotiate or see the point of view of anyone else. Therefore, you also experience love-hating, idealize a person for a short time, then turn around and hate him. One of the worst signs is that the patient is well aware of his or her destructive behavior, but nothing can be done about it. An analogy would be the alcoholic, who knows very well that both her and her drinking habits are destructive, but she simply cannot stop them. A full bottle of alcohol is like a magnet that cannot be stopped. Other borderline personality disorder symptoms include risky, destructive behavior, such as overdrinking, drug taking, unsafe sex, dangerously rapid driving, particularly under the influence of drink and/or drugs, and other potentially destructive behaviors. Your emotions are high and will wax and fade, and definitely, as far as the outsider is concerned, they are irrelevant because of this swing. The black and white thinking with the latter situation is absolutely no help. Often, for no apparent reason, you may get so angry that you turn to physical violence. This is in so many respects a paradoxical illness. For example, you're really afraid you're alone, but what else can you expect? The drawback, as I described above, is that you know this almost certainly. You may feel misunderstood, lonely, empty, and helpless, but this is due to your difficulties in managing your emotions. A desire for suicide, too, is like a dark shadow, and of course, your impulsive behavior is almost an invitation for the final destruction of yourself. Chapter 3. Early signs.
We're going to stop there today before this gets a little carried away here. Thanks for hanging out with me today and checking out this borderline personality disorder book. It's really opening my eyes to a few things that I go through. Feelings, emotions. More on that and a personalized, raw video. You have a great day. I believe you can do anything. And if no one's told you today, I love you and I am very proud of you. Take a deep breath, exhale, and let go of that crap. Have a great day. This is Nikki B signing off. Bye-bye.